Of course, there's so many different versions of social media overlays. There's like this one that I'm using right now, guys, and of course, all of this. But for this video, we're gonna be doing this one right here, guys. So yeah, pretty nice looking, right? Let's get it. Alright, guys, so of course, you wanna go to Google or Safari, guys, and of course, you just wanna type in Pixlr X, guys. We of course gonna start with X, and then we're gonna go down to E because the reason why I pick X is because it's a lot more easier to use. So here, guys, of course, when I hit create new, and then guys here, of course, you just want to type in like you want to name your file, right? So I'm just gonna name it social media. Just give me a minute. Social media overlay. So social media overlay, guys, and make sure the width is 1920 by 1080p, guys. And then just hit create, and let's jump in. Let's get it, man. Okay, guys, so once you're in, guys, on a blank canvas, guys, you want to go to Google again, and of course search up Instagram logo. That's what we're gonna start with. You can either start with Twitter, Instagram, Snapchat, YouTube, anything, but me, I like to start with Instagram, as of course you guys can see here, guys. So you want to go to images. Okay, guys, so once you have the one that you like, just download it, right? Or maybe save it somewhere, and then, or you can just drag it and bring it on over here to the Pixlr, and then just drop it here, guys. So now you're gonna want to resize. Hold on, let me just make it bigger, guys. Just give me a minute. Right, you want to resize, and of course, I usually like to put mine in the corner, right? Just kind of give me like a base of where to start, guys. And just make it a little bit small, but like you can always adjust it. You know what? That size is a little bit too big. I'm just gonna make it smaller and adjust it to the way that you want it to be, guys.
A few moments later.
And then once you have it just like that, guys, you guys want to go to text, of course, here, and then just want to click add text, and you just want to write on your text your name, of course. Me, I'm just gonna put name, right? But then here you actually put your name, and then I'm actually gonna leave the link of the font that I use in the descriptions below, guys. So just hit the Burbank font, and of course it should be exactly like that, guys. And then just wanna hold it, and of course bring it down here, and of course what you're gonna do is you're gonna resize it to make it bigger so that it actually goes and matches the actual Instagram logo. So just give me a minute and let me just do that. Yeah, guys, so here, guys, so once you just have it like this, guys, you're gonna do the same for Instagram, TikTok, and Snapchat, and of course all your other socials, guys. I'm just gonna run a time lapse of me doing it, and then just gonna see how I'm doing it. Let's get it. Okay, guys, once you guys are done, guys, I would like you guys to save the file, and then we're gonna move on to step number 2. Okay, guys, so once you have everything saved, and of course everything is good and you're done, guys, for step number 2, you wanna go and type in again on Google Pixlr, but instead of Pixlr X, you're gonna want to go to Pixlr E, guys. Pixlr E, that's the one that we're gonna be using for the second step. That's the one where we can put the outline around the black and the white outline to make it cleaner and better. Here, guys, you wanna open up the file that you had, of course. You just want to go to file, right? And then you want to go to open image, and then of course you guys want to find your social media overlay. Of course you guys can see, but here, guys, so here is my social media overlay, guys, that we just did in step number 1 using Pixlr X, guys. So now once you have it here, guys, of course you want to go to unlock it, guys, and once it's like this, you can of course move it as all, right? And then you want to go to filter, go to outline, and of course you need to start with the black outline, guys. So just give me a minute. And then, guys, since here it's white, guys, you want to change the color to black, and of course just put it at like, how much you put it at? Maybe like 7 or 6. Hold on, let me just make sure it's good. 7, 6, 7, 6 is good.
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Guys, and make sure it's around 7 or 6, and then click apply, and then you're gonna go to filter again. You're gonna click to outline again, but now this time instead of black, we're of course gonna make it white. There we go, guys. And then just keep it at 10. Actually, now let's actually make it like 8 or 9. 9 is good. And then you're gonna hit apply, and boom, guys, there you go, guys. Literally the easy way to make social media overlay for your streams, videos, and anything like that, guys. Of course, here, guys, simple, pretty easy and done. Yeah, don't know what else to say though.
2 very boring minutes later.
Yeah, guys, and of course, pretty easy and simple, guys. You can put it on your videos or streams, guys. So yeah, guys, hope of course you guys enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe, and I'm gonna catch and I'm gonna catch you guys on the next one. I'm out. Peace. Pixlr. Oh my god, I can't. Oh my god. Alright, guys, and for this, guys. Okay, guys, so you of course want to go to the website of your choice. Oh, you guys, of course, want to go to the website of your choice, either Google or Safari or anything, right? But like, it has to be in desktop.